First thing I gotta fix on the new Land Rover, tires. She needs to get on some BFGs. I'm putting on some new tires because the ones that are on it are just a little too big. I think it's hurt my fuel economy, and it looks like there's getting a little bit of delamination on them. So I picked up some new ones. You can see them in the back here, and we'll see if these are any better. And another reason why I'm changing tires is that these are fairly off-road specific tires, and they make a lot of noise. It has that notorious hum constantly on the road. I don't like that. It's a little too bro for me. So hopefully these new ones aren't as bad. So not only are they loud, but these tires are already starting to show some wear and tear that looks a lot like delamination. There's cuts all the way around it, and it just looks like the tread is going to peel right off. That's not safe, so we're going to try out something new. As you can tell, this is a used set of tires. They're BFG KO2s. They're just a little bit smaller than what's on there right now, but I've heard some great reviews and I'm excited to give them a shot this summer. And if I like them, I'll get a new set. So first impressions with the BFG KO2 tires, they're definitely quieter, but now I hear the wind noise from my roof tab. So, you know, give and take, but it feels quicker. The tires are a lot lighter, so it does get up to speed a little bit faster. So I know I'm going to benefit for some better fuel economy. I'd like to get better than 12, 13. So let's see what we get. So let's take a little look. As you can see, we've gone from 12 and 13s to over 14 and even over 15 at times. So that's even fully loaded.